I've got a bit of work to do with my Mymag 150. I'm gonna gas up at about 150. Sorry. I'm gonna gas up at about 20 litres per minute. Got 70 amps, 20 volts. Got arc transfer up high, so it's gonna spit and make a lot of noise. Got these couple of what are going to be tail ramps for the Toyota DYNA truck project. These were just going to be sitting in a horizontal position on the car trailer that I cut them out of. I'll probably see that in my video of the steel quick cut saw. What I'm going to do is I'm going to zap up the edges of this diamond plate mesh in a few more places just to make it a bit stronger, and I'll flip them and do the other side. But this is just probably a good video for you to actually watch this in operation and welding. Got leather sleeves, nice big gloves. I've got ear protection, I'm not going to need it for this. It's only turned down less than half current, so it's not going to be too noisy. But I love a bit of a weld. I rate these machines highly. I haven't used this one for a little while. But yeah, love a bit of a weld. As you can hear from that straight away, it's beautiful and consistent. The wide speed self-adjustment is just great. Clean up that back of that piece there to make sure it's nice and easy to weld. Gotta say, if you're not the best at things, having some of the best gears won't make you a little bit better. There's only a tack there. The purpose of starting to get the trailer together, it was never finished, so see if I can't lay an alright looking weld there. Call that pretty successful. It's not huge, it's not massive, it's not the prettiest, but it'll do welds like that all day for you. Right, so being an inverter welder, you don't have to have it turned up flat out to get results. That's on 72 amps. It's up at 24 volts now. It'll probably have a little bit more pop to it, as in arc transfer wise, it's going to have a fair crackle. But you hear it's just smooth, it's consistent. There's hardly any shit in the end of my nozzle. It's not spitting back at me. Yeah, I give it a quick wire brush there, but it's not like it's new steel. It's not perfect. I'll turn this around so you can see. The fact that it's an inverter welder is just, it makes a massive difference in my opinion. Transformer welders can't compensate for differences in wire speed, etc. Like this old beast, it's just a transformer with a wire feeder basically. There's nothing super special about it. This thing, I can't even set the wire speed myself. It controls everything. I can set how much current I want, how much voltage I want, and whether it's a hard or soft arc transfer. They're my options. I'll turn it up a bit, we'll go for 100 amps and 24 volts, and I'll show you the difference just in here. Now, it's smart enough to know that what wire speed it needs, what current it needs, and the next weld after this one with the higher current, I'll just face the GoPro straight at the current gauge and the voltage gauge on the actual unit, and you'll be able to see just how much it changes and how constantly it's working and changing the delivery for me. Now, yeah, we'll go for this one at 100 amps. Just like that. Now I probably could have taken my time a bit at the start of that weld. I'm not a professional, nor will I attempt to be. Tripod close enough so you can watch the numbers. Part. GoPro's got an insane wide field of view, so it's hard to focus in on things sometimes, so you've got to get so close. It's only about 1.5 feet away. It's going to look like it's a mile away from you. Righto, so I'll make my next weld, and you can just watch the current gauges jump up and down. go. You got to see that do its thing up and down with its current. I'll do another video in a minute of pros and cons of you know, spending $3.99 on a welder like the Mymag Mini Mig, tongue tied, from Super Cheap for 180 bucks. 180 amps, but it's, you know, it's $3.99, whatever, Australian dollars, or whether you splash out the extra. This was $6.60, including GST, goods and service tax if you're not from Australia. And I'll do a comparison video for you, so you can, you know, you can get a bit of a gauge on what you'd prefer. Like, I'm not a good welder, well, not a great welder, but like, those two pieces of steel aren't coming apart. I'm not in a race for the prettiest welds. I'm in it for strength and quality. I'm making ramps for my tow truck, and that's my aim. So these are my results. Now, hope you